Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by joining or scheduling the meeting, then open Zoom Notes immediately so you capture context. Grant or confirm note permissions for hosts and collaborators. This prevents lost edits. Once done, select the meeting's Notes panel from the toolbar. Don't delay, because notes attach to meeting metadata. Make sure autosave or export options are visible so you can retrieve content later. This saves time and ensures compliance with any record-keeping needs. Now you build structure, add headings, timestamps, and clear action items so others can scan quickly. Use it mentions to assign owners and link tasks. This clarifies responsibility and speeds follow-up. Once you paste chat lines or attach screenshots, the discussion context stays with the note. Make sure to save after major edits and watch real-time cursors so you avoid conflicts. If multiple people edit, coordinate who finalizes the summary to maintain one authoritative version. Finish by reviewing action items, resolving duplicates, and saving the final note. Export to PDF or Markdown for distribution, and post the link in chat so everyone has one source of truth. Once done, notify assignees directly with deadlines. This closes the loop. If syncing or export fails, don't panic. Export locally, then re-upload to your shared drive or paste into your team workspace. That workaround preserves content and prevents lost decisions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.